Hi there, my lovelies. This is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to bring to you guys another recipe, broccoli and potato cake, like patties. Easy to make, totally affordable because hello potatoes. Broccoli is a little bit pricey here where I live. I don't know where you live, how much it is, and kids love it. So let me show you how I put it together. I know. You wanna know why I have disappeared? I know. I'm gonna explain to you a little later on this video, so stay until the end. But let's go to the recipe. First, we're going to take broccolis and potatoes because it's a broccoli and potato cake, obviously. So we're going to boil them. Actually, we're going to boil the potatoes, and we're going to use the steam from the potatoes to steam the broccoli. The potatoes, the smaller you cut, the easier it's going and faster it's going to cook, as well as if you peel them, they're also going to cook faster, okay? And the broccoli, well, let it steam just a little bit because remember, broccoli cooks really fast, and when it overcooks, it tends to lose its color and get really soft and mushy. Like 5 minutes steaming is okay, all right? So now we're going to chop the broccoli very finely, add it to a bowl, and we're going to mash the potatoes. I'm using a potato ricer here, but you don't have to. It works perfectly fine with a fork as well. And now we're going to add the flax egg, which is made with flax seeds, ground flax seeds. In this case, I'm using 1 tablespoon to 3 tablespoons of water. Black pepper, salt, garlic powder, and some cornstarch. Because I forgot to mention, because if I know I always forget things, okay? That's how it works. It's gluten-free. Yes, it is. I mean, instead of the cornstarch, you can use potato starch. You can use sour starch if you have that. Amazing, because we have made some recipes in the past using cheeses, actually using sour starch, and some of you guys ask me, how can I use sour starch instead of cornstarch? Now in this case, using potato starch, the patties get crunchier and lighter. Now for the crunchy part, we're going to bread it using cornflakes, unsweetened. For the love of God, always unsweetened, okay? Do not add those coated with sugar and stuff because it's gonna taste disgusting. And to crush them, we're going to use a bag and a rolling pin. Easy. You can also use a food processor, but I didn't want to get one dirty and then wash it, so it's up to you. And the cornflakes are supposed to look like this. Fine, but not like a flour. Now you form the patties, whatever shape you want. It can also look like nuggets. And then we dip them in plant-based milk and then the cornflakes. I forgot to mention, but when you're making the patties, sometimes you use less cornstarch, sometimes more. It depends on the quantity of water that is present in your vegetables, okay? So it depends. You're gonna be the judge of that. As a test, you form a little patty in your mouth. If it holds together, it's fine. You don't need to add any more cornstarch, right? Also, the plant-based milk is supposed to be, if you watch my videos, you know what I'm gonna say, unsweetened, because we're making a savory recipe. So now we're going to, you can either shallow fry them, like pan fry them, you can bake them, or you can air fry them, but you can choose whatever method you want to use. Alright, like I said, I was going to explain to you guys why I have disappeared, why Chef Jana disappeared. What happened was that I had some health problems that it took longer for me to overcome than I was expecting. So every week I thought, no, I don't need to. It's just one more week, and then one more week, and then one more week, okay? And then I was never 100% because to make videos, I want always to be my best and feeling my best because you guys deserve it, you know? And I love it. I love making videos, and I was not in the right place. So I had to wait a little bit. And thank you guys for waiting for me. Thank you for asking if I was okay. I love you guys for that. You are amazing. Thanks for the comments. You were like, you guys are the best bunch ever. And I keep saying that all the time. Your comments are amazing. Your energy is amazing. Your concerns for me, it's all, I felt very loved. But your girl's back. I'm not going anywhere. I promise you that if one day I'm going to disappear, I'm going to let you know, okay? I'm not going to leave you hanging. Apologize for not letting you know when I was going to come back, but even I didn't know. All right? Everything's fine, okay? Just so you know, everything's fine. Everything's fixed. I'm okay. My health is okay. And I'm back, and recipes all the time. And as you know, easy and affordable that also look like you slaved away in the kitchen and looks like $1 million, because that's how we do things here, right?
You're so fine, oh lady, let your body take control. You're on my mind, baby.
Look what I have here. It's so, like I said, so delicious. I only make recipes on this channel, recipes that I like, so that I approve, and other people approve as well. Because sometimes I see videos and recipes on YouTube that I'm like, why? It's just you know, like why? Just to make it extra easy, and like, of course you can throw some things together and call it food, but you know, there's no point in it if it's not delicious, right? So it's so good, I promise you. I hope you liked it. I hope you have missed me, because I have missed you a lot. You don't know how much. In Portuguese we say saudade. It's a particular word we only have in Portuguese. It means that it's a little bit more sentimental, that I missed you. If you're a Portuguese speaker, you know what I'm talking about. So I was com saudade de vocês. All right? So next week, see you. Don't forget to share this video, like it. Check if you still subscribe, because YouTube has been messing with us a little bit. Creators, everybody complaining about the same thing. So check if you still subscribe. If you're not, what are you waiting for? Do it. It's free. All right? So I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.